Why do 80% of Minecraft pros use OptiFine for better FPS? Because it's fast, easy, and makes your game run like butter. Ready to join them? First, make sure you've got Java installed. OptiFine won't work without it. Quick tip: download the latest Java from the official site if you're not sure. Now run Minecraft 1.21.7 at least once, then close both the game and launcher. Trust me, skipping this step is like forgetting to put wheels on your minecart. Head to optifine.net, go to downloads and grab the 1.21.7 version. Don't let those ad pages fool you. Just click skip in the corner and save the .jar file somewhere easy to find. Double-click the optifine.jar file. If it won't open, right-click and choose Open with Java. Hit install, and when it says success, you're golden. Restart Minecraft, pick the OptiFine profile from the launcher, and hit play. Pro tip: if you don't see OptiFine, check the modded box under installations. Go to video settings. See all those new options? That's OptiFine magic. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let's get those frames flying.